Hi everyone, it's Beth, and today I wanted to talk to you briefly about MaidSafe and then show you how to use HitBTC. But first, let me remind you that I am not a financial advisor, so everything I say here is only my opinion. So please take the time, do your own due diligence, and then remember to never invest anything that you are unwilling to lose. All right, so before I get started, I just want to take a moment and wish everyone a happy Mother's Day. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, now let's talk about MaidSafe briefly. By starting to talk about HBO's show Silicon Valley. I posted a video maybe a week or so ago that highlighted that HBO's show Silicon Valley has been they've been creating, as the theme of the season, a decentralized internet. And they do have a number of technical advisors who were helping them make sure that everything was technically sound that they were presenting in the show. And a lot of those advisors actually come from the MaidSafe team. So I did look a little bit more into this project, and I think that this one is really a lot more exciting than the hype around it suggests, which is not very much. So, and I think that there's a reason that it's not very much hype, and it's because this is a huge project, and it has been pretty slow moving because it's a huge project. I mean, they want to create an autonomous network where there's no one holding your data but you. So that is a huge change from the internet that we use right now, and it has been a project that they've been working on since 2006. So right now they do have their Alpha 2 out. You have to be an approved user, so you have to go over to their forum if you want to participate in the alpha. But they are moving along with this project, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. So I want to take a position in it, and I'm not taking I don't want to swing trade this. I just want to take a position, hold this coin, and hope that it does what I'm hoping it will do. So that is why all right. So that's why I'm going to take a position. I think that's a really cool project. I just really do. There's a lot of information out there. Like I said, this project has been around for a long time. So they do a fair amount of updates. They do weekly updates. They just had a development convention, their 2018 development convention. And, they are spreading this project and, and moving forward. So today I am going to go over to HitBTC, and I am going to purchase some coins there using ETH. So if you were curious, well, if you didn't go over to the site first, where you can scroll down and see some basic information about the site or about the project, and it does show you where it is traded. But if you didn't find that information there, you can come over to CoinMarketCap. Once you're in the page for the coin, you can click on markets, and it will show you all the markets where it is traded. I want to trade paired with ETH, so that puts me here at HitBTC. So let me go on over here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you haven't used HitBTC before, there are a lot of different pairings that are available here. I mean, a lot. Look, this is still A's and B's. I mean, it is a ton of coins that are available to be traded over here on HitBTC. There wasn't too lengthy of a process to get registered with this exchange, so those are bonuses. Okay, now here's what you have to do. It has an extra step than most exchanges. So you come over here to the account section, click deposit, and it'll generate a receive address. Send in your Bitcoin, ETH, whatever you're sending in, and then it'll list here in your main account. If you want to use those funds for trading, you have to come over here, hit this transfer arrow, and move your funds over into the trading account. Then if you are going to withdraw them, you're going to have to move them back into the main account. So there is an extra step there that was unexpected for me. So all right, now, they also have some nice other information here. You can generate reports like profit and loss status for your own account. They also have a system health tab over here, which shows the status for all of the coins that they have available for trade. Okay, so now let me pop over here to the MAID ETH pairing. When you are on HitBTC, this is just the exchange field, the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing is the one that loads by default. I like that. I'm a Litecoin fan. So here, when you want to find a different market to trade in, you would just come up here. You can hit the search bar. You can see they have pairings for BTC. They have ETH pairings, USDT pairings, and you can mark your favorites. So I went up, I typed in MAID, I loaded this page. Here we go. So now I am going to look at, so this price, I'm trying to decide if the price has gone up in these asks, but the bids have not really gone up. So I think I'm going to place my bid in between the ask and the sell. The ask and the bid price. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that. So I'm going to use 509 way for my price, and I want to, there, can I click that? No. Nope. All right. Is it because this isn't working again? Oh, there. Yay! And it calculated it for me. Fantastic. I was hoping it would do that. All right, so now that's what I can buy, and I'm gonna go ahead and place my limit order. There we go. So that is that easy. Assuming somebody wants to take this, wants to accept my my bid, then I will end up with some coins. So that's it. That's all I have to do. Like I said, the only real tricky part here is just that you have to take the extra step and move your coins over into the trading column and not in the main account balance. So that's it. So now, you can see my trading balance is listed up here. Nobody has accepted my order. There is, actually, maybe should probably delete that and just go ahead and take the current ask price, because there is really pretty low trade volume happening here with this particular pairing. So you can see most of the trade volume actually happens on Poloniex. The next highest here is on HitBTC paired, but it's paired with BTC. So I did decide that I had some ETH I wanted to trade for MAID, so I am using the ETH pairing, but because it is such a low percentage of the trade volume happens with this pairing, I may be waiting a little while for my order to get filled or not. So that's how you do it, though. It's really nice and easy. I am going to be holding this coin because I think that it is very, very intriguing. I definitely recommend that you go do your own research about MaidSafe. It is a complicated project. It's not a blockchain project. It's not proof of work or proof of stake. There's like a whole bunch of information that you really need to know about this, but it is completely autonomous data that you will hold yourself, assuming that the network does develop the way that they are intending, and they are working on the development. So I think it's a good place to be. That's why I'm doing this today. And there we go. I hope you liked the video. If you found it useful, then please do leave a like. If you would like to see more from me, then please do subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those in the comment section, or there's also a link to my Discord channel in the description box for the video if you want to hop on over there. That is the best way to find me if you'd like to come and say hello. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for your time today, everyone. I will see you next time.